Assalamualaikum, welcome to Rumah Belajar Nabata. Today, we are going to learn about color in English. What color is it? It is orange. Orange. It is pink. Pink. It is yellow. Yellow. It is green. Green. It is blue. Blue. And it is red. Red. What about it? It is purple. Purple. And then green. Green. And the last is brown. Brown. Have two color of green. It is the light green and it is the dark green. Itu tadi kita sudah belajar warna-warna dalam bahasa Inggris. Sekarang kita punya kartu flashcard. Ini bisa dilepas. Kita akan coba untuk menghafalkan warna-warna yang sudah kita pelajari tadi. Siap? Here I have blue, green, and red. What color is it? Nah, Among Us-nya sudah lewat kan tadi? Ada yang tahu warna apa? Yes, you're right. It is green. I have yellow, blue, and red. Among Us-nya mau lewat lagi ya, siap-siap. Oh, what color is it? Ya, kalian benar. It is red. Okay, next, I give you one color. Purple. Akan kita acak. Kemudian Amongnya akan lewat lagi ya. Siap-siap. What color is it? Yes, of course. It is blue. Good job. I will give you brown. Akan kita acak lagi. Kita tambahkan satu lagi ya, biar seru. Oke, saya akan lewat. What color is it? Yes, it is purple. Purple. Warna ungu. And then I'll give you once more. Orange. How about this? Of course, this is yes, pink. Okay. Nah, sekarang this color. What is it? Yellow, brown, green, or orange? Of course, it is orange. Yeah. Okay, we have 3 more color. What about it? Brown, yellow, or green? Of course, it is green. Good job. And then brown and yellow. I have 2 more among us. It is? Yes, yellow. Okay. And of course, the last one is brown. Warna coklat. Oke. Coba ulangi lagi ya. Green. Warna merah muda. Red. Merah. Yellow. Kuning. Light green. Hijau terang. Dark green. Hijau gelap. Purple. Warna ungu. Orange. Warna oranye. Blue. Warna biru. And then brown. Warna coklat. Oke, thank you. Sudah belajar warna bersama Nabata dan Among Us. Semoga kalian paham dan bisa cepat hafal dengan nama-nama warna dalam bahasa Inggris. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.